Welcome to the YouTube channel Battlefield Chronicles. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful and advanced air defense networks in the world, the air defense system of China. Over the last few decades, China has invested heavily in building a layered and integrated air defense shield designed to protect its skies from enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and even stealth fighters. From long-range missile systems to modern radar networks and advanced command centers, China's air defense capability has become a key pillar of its military strength. In this video, we will break down how China built this powerful defense system, what technologies it uses, and why it is considered one of the most formidable air defense networks on the planet. Air defense is one of the most critical components of modern warfare. In today's battlefield, enemy forces rely heavily on fighter jets, bombers, drones, and cruise missiles to strike strategic targets. Without a strong air defense network, a country's cities, military bases, and infrastructure become extremely vulnerable. China understands this reality very well. Therefore, it has developed a multi-layered air defense system that can detect threats hundreds of kilometers away and neutralize them before they reach Chinese territory. This defensive shield forms the backbone of China's national security strategy. China's air defense is not just about missiles. It is a complex integrated network. Radar stations, satellites, command centers, and interceptor missiles work together in a coordinated system. This network is designed to detect threats early, track enemy aircraft, and guide interceptors to destroy them. China's military doctrine focuses on integrated joint operations, meaning air defense units communicate with fighter aircraft, naval forces, and ground-based systems to create a unified defense structure. One of the most important pillars of China's air defense is the HQ-19 long-range surface-to-air missile system. This system is often compared to some of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. The HQ-19 can engage enemy aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles at distances of more than 200 kilometers. Equipped with powerful radar and advanced guidance systems, the HQ-19 is capable of intercepting multiple targets simultaneously. It forms the outer defensive ring of China's air defense shield. Another key component is the HQ-22 medium-range air defense system. This missile system is designed to protect important military installations and cities from aerial threats. The HQ-22 is highly mobile and can be deployed quickly in different locations. It fills the gap between long-range and short-range defense systems, ensuring that no hostile aircraft can penetrate Chinese airspace easily. China has also strengthened its air defense capabilities by acquiring the advanced SMS-400 missile system from Russia. This system is capable of detecting and engaging targets at extremely long ranges. The SMS-400 can track stealth aircraft, ballistic missiles, and multiple airborne targets simultaneously. With the addition of this system, China significantly improved its ability to counter advanced enemy aircraft. In addition to long-range systems, China operates several short-range air defense systems designed to intercept threats that penetrate deeper into defended zones. These systems protect military bases, radar stations, and key infrastructure. Short-range systems are particularly effective against drones, low-flying aircraft, and incoming missiles. Radar technology plays a crucial role in China's air defense. China has developed powerful phased-array radar systems capable of detecting stealth aircraft and tracking targets over long distances. These radars are placed across the country and along coastal areas to provide continuous surveillance of Chinese airspace. Early detection gives the military enough time to respond to potential threats. Modern warfare has introduced stealth aircraft designed to evade radar detection. To counter this challenge, China has developed specialized radar systems and detection technologies capable of identifying low observable aircraft. These anti-stealth capabilities are an important part of China's strategy to counter advanced fighters. Air defense is not limited to ground-based missiles. Fighter jets also play a major role in defending Chinese airspace. Advanced aircraft such as modern Chinese fighters can intercept enemy aircraft before they reach critical areas. These fighters work closely with radar systems and ground-based missile batteries. China has also invested in missile defense systems designed to intercept ballistic missiles. These systems use advanced tracking technology and high-speed interceptor missiles. As missile threats continue to grow worldwide, developing reliable missile defense capabilities has become increasingly important. Modern Chinese air defense systems increasingly rely on automation and artificial intelligence. AI helps analyze radar data quickly and identify potential threats. Automated command systems can coordinate responses faster than traditional manual systems. This technological advancement significantly improves reaction time during combat situations. China's air defense strategy is based on a layered defense concept. Long-range systems engage threats from far away, medium-range systems cover critical regions, and short-range systems protect key installations. This multi-layered approach ensures that even if one defensive layer fails, another system is ready to intercept the threat. China continues to develop next-generation air defense technologies. New radar systems, improved missile interceptors, and space-based surveillance networks are being tested and deployed. These advancements will further strengthen China's ability to defend its airspace in the future. China's powerful air defense system represents decades of technological development and strategic planning. By combining long-range missiles, advanced radar networks, fighter aircraft, and modern command systems, China has built one of the most formidable defensive shields in the world. As military technology continues to evolve, China will likely continue expanding and modernizing its air defense network. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Battlefield Chronicles for more fascinating insights into modern military technology and global defense systems.